Everyone thinks the best-selling keto sweetener is automatically the best option for iced tea. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Now Foods Monk Fruit Liquid. First up is the Now Foods Certified Organic Monk Fruit Liquid. Honestly, I was drawn in by its organic certification and zero-calorie claim. If you want a natural sweetener that fits perfectly into your keto lifestyle, this is worth a serious look. This monk fruit liquid is seriously sweet, up to 200 times sweeter than regular sugar. That means just a few drops can elevate your iced tea without adding any calories. Since it's low glycemic, it won't spike your blood sugar, which is a huge plus if you're watching your carb intake. Plus, it's vegan and free from GMOs, so it's a great choice for health-conscious folks. It's really easy to use, too. Just 5 to 8 drops in your drink, and you're set. Now, some people complain that it has a slightly different taste compared to regular sugar. Here's the thing, though. Many sweeteners have a bit of a unique flavor, so it might take some getting used to. But if you're committed to your keto journey, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an organic, zero-calorie sweetener. Skip this one if you're sensitive to any aftertaste from natural sweeteners. For its price and benefits, it's a solid option to consider. Now, if you're not a fan of liquid sweeteners, the next one might actually be better suited for you.
Product number 2, Now Foods Better Stevia Liquid Extract. I was really impressed by its gluten-free and organic qualities. If you want a sweetener that dissolves quickly and is ideal for iced tea, this is definitely one to check out. This sweetener is also zero-calorie and low glycemic, which means you can indulge your sweet tooth without feeling guilty. It's made using a special process that preserves stevia's natural flavors, which makes it not only good for your health, but also tasty. With over 2,000 bottles sold last month, it's clear that people are loving it. However, some reviews pointed out that it can have a strong taste, especially if you're used to traditional sugars. But here's my take. A little goes a long way, and once you find the right amount to use, it can be a perfect match for your iced tea. This is perfect if you're looking for a quick dissolving, organic sweetener for drinks. Skip this one if you prefer a milder sweetness, or don't like stevia's unique flavor. It's a great value, especially for those looking to cut calories. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want powdered options.
Product number 3, Now Foods Better Stevia Powder.
Now, let's talk about the Now Foods Better Stevia Organic Zero-Calorie Extract Powder. This one caught my eye because it's super versatile. If you want a sweetener that you can easily measure and customize for your iced tea, this is worth considering. This powder is made with organic stevia and boasts a low glycemic impact. You get over 2,500 servings per bottle, meaning it'll last you a while. It's also suitable for diabetics, so you can enjoy your iced tea without worrying about your blood sugar. The convenience of using a scoop means you can tailor the sweetness just how you like it. That said, some users mentioned that it can clump if not stored properly. That's a bit frustrating, but honestly, if you keep it in a cool, dry place, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable, long-lasting sweetener for your drinks. Skip this one if you prefer a liquid sweetener that mixes easily. For the price, it offers fantastic value for a quality organic product. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more flavorful, let's move on to a fun option. Product number 4, Now Foods Monk Fruit Extract Powder product. Next is the Now Foods Certified Organic Monk Fruit Extract Powder. This caught my attention because it's pure and simple, just monk fruit. If you want to sweeten your iced tea without any additional ingredients, this is a great fit. This powder is also a zero-calorie sweetener and keto-friendly. It's non-GMO and gluten-free, making it a safe choice for a wide range of diets. The included scoop makes it super easy to measure out just the right amount for your tea. Plus, the taste is vibrant without any lingering aftertaste, which is a win in my book. However, some folks found it less sweet than expected. But here's my perspective. It's all about finding your perfect balance. And once you get that right, it can be delightful in your beverages. This is perfect for you if you want a pure sweetener without any fillers. Skip this one if you're looking for something super sweet right off the bat. it's a great investment for a natural product without unnecessary additives. All right, that was a compelling option. But for our last product, let's explore something with a bit of flavor.
Product number 5, Sweet Leaf Stevia Sweet Drops. Finally, we have Sweet Leaf Sweet Drops. I have to say, the flavored options really intrigued me. If you're looking for a sweetener that adds a bit of fun to your iced tea, this is definitely one to consider. These drops are 0 calorie, and they're made with natural flavors, so you won't be sacrificing taste for health. The convenience of the compact bottle makes it easy to carry around, which is perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. You can add a few drops to your tea and it transforms it instantly. No sugar or artificial ingredients included. However, a few reviews mention the flavors can be a bit strong for some people. But here's the thing, you can adjust the amount you use, so it's easy to find that perfect level of sweetness. This is perfect for you if you love flavored options and want a sweetener that travels well. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional sweetening experience. For its price and convenience, it's a fun addition to your pantry. So, there you have it. 5 great keto sweeteners for iced tea. From the organic monk fruit to flavorful sweet leaf drops, there's something for everyone. Each has its own strengths and potential drawbacks, so think about your personal taste and needs when choosing. Happy sweetening!